This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the farmer ability in Ability Wars. First, let's understand what the farmer ability does. It's a fantastic support role, allowing you to generate resources and assist your team with unique buffs. Knowing its purpose helps you maximize its potential. We'll cover all the prerequisites and then walk through the exact steps to add this valuable ability to your arsenal, making you a more versatile player. Before you can unlock the farmer ability, there are a few important steps to complete. You'll need to have the tree ability equipped or find someone who does, as it's crucial for the process. Additionally, make sure you have enough in-game currency. Specifically, 14,000 punches are required. Finally, you'll need to find a secret cave and an altar within it to proceed. Preparation is key for a smooth acquisition. Now for the exciting part, actually getting the ability. Once you're in the secret cave with the tree ability, you need to place 15 fruits onto the altar. After doing so, a glowing orb, also known as the fruit catalyst, will spawn. Pick up this orb, then carry it to the pond located on the map. Jump into the pond with the orb, and a cutscene will play, granting you the farmer ability and the cultivate badge. Congratulations, you've got the farmer ability. To start using it, open your character's ability menu and equip it in an available slot. Take some time to practice its unique skills in different game modes to understand its full potential and how it synergizes with your team. Mastering the farmer ability will make you an invaluable asset. Also, for all you avid readers out there, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Happy farming and reading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.